Hi, I'm Megan Hoffman, a technology integration specialist with the Southwest West Central Service Cooperative, here to show you how you can send what you're showing on your Newline interactive flat panel to individual student devices using Newline Broadcast. First, click on the Apps button to search for the Newline Broadcast app and open it. Then, touch the purple Start Broadcast button. Make sure you enable the public link. The first time you use Newline Broadcast, you may be prompted to allow your Newline IFP to install the app. Follow the on-screen prompts to open settings and toggle the Allow from this source button to on. Then start the broadcast again when prompted. On their devices, students will open a browser and go to www.broadcast.online and type in the 6-digit code to access the broadcast on their screens. Or share the link in your LMS, or create a QR code for students to scan to access the broadcast. Notice that there is a bit of a lag between when what is on the Newline IFP appears or changes and when it appears on the student device. Also, students have markup tools, pens, highlighters, eraser, available to them at the bottom of their screen. When you are done with class, make sure to end the broadcast so that students do not continue watching while they are supposed to be doing work for other classes. For more information, explanations, and inspiration, check out the SWWC Technology Integration channel on YouTube, and remember to click subscribe. Thanks for watching. How can you use Newline Broadcast with your students?